لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة لمن كان يرجو الله واليوم الآخر وذكر الله كثيرا.
Second point, and I'm turning to another page now, right? Skipping. The Shaykh says, وَالْعَبْدَ كُلُّ مَا عَظُمَتْ طَاعَتُهُ. Yani this particular point is very, very important point. I remember I read this some years ago and I was amazed, and I didn't realize that this was a truth in Islam. That a person should not expect, anticipate, or feel that they are deserving of the rahmah of Allah unless they have done something to deserve it. The rahmah of Allah is received because you do something to get it. It doesn't just come to you. The more a person is obedient to Allah, the more a person gets nearer to Allah, the more a person strives to do the things that bring you near to Allah, the greater will be your portion of being deserving of the rahmah of Allah. What's the proof of this? The Shaykh mentions a number of ayats. The first ayat is Surah Al-An'am 6:155. Look at the istidlal. Look how he used this ayat to prove this point. وَهَذَا كِتَابٌ أَنزَلْنَاهُ مُبَارَكٌ فَاتَّبِعُوهُ وَاتَّقُوا لَعَلَّكُمْ تُرْحَمُونَ. This is a book, the Qur'an, which we have sent down, blessed. So follow it and observe taqwa of Allah so that you may attain mercy. How do you attain mercy? By following this book, by observing taqwa of Allah. لَعَلَّكُمْ تُرْحَمُونَ. Then this will be the means for you to earn the mercy of Allah. Second ayah, Surah An-Nur, 24th surah, 56th ayah, the saying of Allah, وَأَقِيمُوا الصَّلَاةِ وَآتُوا الزَّكَاةِ وَأَطِيعُوا الرَّسُولَ لَعَلَّكُمْ تُرْحَمُونَ. Establish the prayer and give the charity and obey the messenger so that you may receive the mercy of Allah. The way to receive the mercy of Allah is to establish the prayers, to give zakat, to be obedient to the messenger of Allah. This will entitle you, make you deserving of receiving the rahmah of Allah. The saying of Allah, Surah Al-A'raf, 7th surah, 56th ayah, Inna rahmatallahi kareebun min al-muhsinin. That indeed, certainly, definitely, the rahmah of Allah is near to the people who do good, the muhsinin, the people of ihsan. The people who worship Allah, as though they are seeing Him. If they don't see Him, know that He sees you. Definitely the mercy of Allah will be near to the people who do good. This means that a person becomes more deserving of the rahmah of Allah if they are obedient to Allah, if they are observing taqwa, if they are performing the prayers, if they are obedient to the messenger of Allah, if they are doing good deeds. And the ayats with this meaning are many in the Qur'an.